So today we have Dr. VP Singh with us. Sir, it is a pleasure to host you at NDIM. Can we have just a brief intro about you?
Okay, so Jaya, I am currently associated with a couple of universities as an advisor as well as a distinguished professor. Prior to that, I was advisor with Patanjali,
Okay, sir.
Swami Ramdev for about 2 years, and before that, I was in corporate for about 35-40 years.
Okay, sir.
So that's very brief. I'm
Okay.
basically a teacher.
Right, sir. Sir, what actions do you think the management students and faculties can adapt to, for the changing market condition scenario in the education system?
Okay. So, if I can respond it in this way, that there is no straight answer, and like life, you have a day and night. So there is a
Right.
darkness, there is a light.
Yes, sir.
So it's not that you only respect and honor only one part of your life.
Right, sir.
So similarly, in corporate world, if you want to be successful, you have to be good in terms of technology, like you were saying about AI and machine learning
Right,
and so
sir.
on and so forth. But that will not take you very far.
Right, sir.
What it also means is that in addition to having expertise and erudition on modern technology and modern practices, it is also very important and fundamental, as a matter of fact, that you should touch base with your heart, which means that your ethical values should be very high,
Right.
which means that you are somebody who is trustworthy, you are somebody who is dependable, who is somebody who is respected. You have to be somebody who is good in terms of your mental intelligence. You have also to be somebody who is good in terms of your emotional intelligence.
Right, sir.
And a MBA student, or for that matter, any teacher of business school, must also keep a balance between both.
Right, sir. So, what do you think artificial intelligence, what impact that will have on the education system?
You see, it is already impacting industry.
Right.
In times to come, artificial intelligence will get into classroom.
Right.
It will get into day-to-day tutorials and so on and so forth. But I would not overvalue it. I will not. I mean, artificial intelligence, machine learning has become a hype.
Right, sir.
I'm not denying that it is not important. It is important, but the kind of hype it has been created at the cost of other fundamentals,
Yes.
that is a little worrisome.
Right, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your
Pleasure.
time. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.